Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with systemd services for VPS app management step by step clearly. To register a systemd service for your VPS application, start by connecting to your server via SSH. Use your preferred terminal application and type in the SSH command followed by your server's IP address. Once logged in, navigate to the directory where your application resides. Typically, this is found in the /opt or /usr/local directories. Next, create a new service file using a text editor. You can use nano or vim for this purpose. Type sudo nano /etc/systemd/system/urap.service to create and open the new service file. In the service file, define the service type by adding the line type equals simple. Then, specify the user that will run the application by adding user equals your username. Next, indicate the working directory of your application with working directory equals /path/ to /your/app. Now, set the command to start your application using exec start equals /path/ to /your/executable. You may also want to specify the restart policy by adding restart equals on failure. After defining these parameters, save and exit the text editor. To ensure systemd recognizes your new service, reload the systemd manager configuration with sudo systemd reload. To start your service, use the command sudo systemd start urap. To enable your service to start on boot, enter sudo systemd enable urap. Verify the status of your service with sudo systemd status urap. If everything is set up correctly, you should see that your service is running and enabled. In case of any errors, check the logs using journal.urap.service for troubleshooting. Your application is now registered and managed through systemd, simplifying the monitoring and control process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.